Threads is the social media app at the moment, offering an alternative to what looks to be the sinking ship over at Twitter. Offering much of the same functionality, the Meta-owned app has seen a huge surge in growth with over 70 million users in under a week. However, there are some big differences between Threads and Twitter, not only in terms of functionality but features, with one of the biggest omissions being a following timeline to only see content from those that you're following, rather than an algorithm-based feed displaying threads from people you don't know. The issue is that, at the time of writing, there's no official way to change your timeline preferences. Threads engineers have confirmed on the platform that it will come further down the line, but it's not available right now. However, there is one odd workaround that'll get you something close to your following feed on Threads. It shouldn't work, but for some reason it does. The temporary workaround involves changing your notification settings. While that usually wouldn't have any effect on in-app operation, it seems to change both the notifications and the content in your Threads timeline. This will likely change in future once the Meta-owned site properly implements a following timeline, or it may simply decide to disable this workaround, but it works for now. What you'll need: the Threads app on an iPhone or Android smartphone. Step 1. Open the Threads app. The first step is to open the Threads app on your iPhone or Android device. It's likely that you're already logged in and using the app if you've landed on this tutorial, but just in case, make sure you're logged in too. Step 2. Tap the profile icon. Once you're in the Threads app, the next step is to head to your profile page. You can do this by tapping the human silhouette icon in the bottom right of the screen. Step 3. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From your profile, you'll need to access the app's settings menu. Unlike many alternatives that use a mechanical cogwheel to display a settings menu, Threads instead uses an odd two-line icon in the top right corner next to the Instagram icon. Tap it. Step 4. Tap Notifications. From the Threads settings menu, tap Notifications. Step 5. Tap Threads and Replies. From the Notifications submenu, tap Threads and Replies. Step 6. Select from people you follow under the first Threads category. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and select from people you follow under the first Threads subcategory. Though this is primarily for stopping notifications about random threads, as mentioned above, it also has the knock-on effect of changing your timeline's preferences, for now anyway. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you sort out your Threads timeline. Until next time, peace out.